Learn parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. Let's learn. Noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, interjection, preposition, and conjunction. Noun. A noun describes name of person, place, or thing. Example: Ali is my friend. In this sentence, Ali is a noun because Ali is a person here. Let's do more examples. He is in New York. In this sentence, New York is a noun because New York is a city. Example number 2. This is my book. In this sentence, book is a noun here. Number 2. Verb. A verb describes an action. Example: walk, sleep, play. Let's do more examples. Example number 1. He goes for a walk. In this sentence, walk is a verb because walk is an action here. Example number 2. She sleeps at 10 a.m. In this sentence, sleeps is a verb here. Example number 3. They play together. In this sentence, play is a verb here. Number 3. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces the name of a person, thing, or place. Example: he, she, you, they, we. More examples. He is a good boy. In this sentence, he is a pronoun. Example number 2. She knows everything about him. In this sentence, she is a pronoun. Example number 3. You are sleeping right now. You is a pronoun here. Number 4. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Example: good, ugly, long, bad. Let's do more examples. Judy is gorgeous. In this sentence, gorgeous is an adjective. He is looking ugly. In this sentence, ugly is an adjective. Those brothers are short. Short here is an adjective. Number 5. Adverb. An adverb adds more information about a verb and an adjective. Example: quickly, slowly, happily. More examples. He eats quickly. In this sentence, quickly is an adverb. They read slowly. In this sentence, slowly is an adverb. He lives happily. In this sentence, happily is an adverb. Number 6. Interjection. An interjection shows emotions. Example: hi, wow, ouch. More examples. Hi, how are you? In this sentence, hi is an interjection. Example number 2. Wow, what a great performance. In this sentence, wow is an interjection. Example number 3. Ouch, my bruise hurts. In this sentence, ouch is an interjection. Number 7. Preposition. A preposition shows time, place, or thing. Example: in, on, at. These are prepositions. Example number 1. I am in the room. In here is a preposition. My book is on the table. On is a preposition here. Example number 3. I will meet you at 10 a.m. At is a preposition here. Number 8. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, sentences, and phrases. Example, and, but, then. Let's do more examples. He is my friend and cousin. In this sentence, and is a conjunction. Example number 2. I want to eat an egg, but my stomach is upset. In this sentence, but is a conjunction. Example number 3. I ran fast, I won. In this sentence, then is a conjunction.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.